All right, I think this is part 10, March 24th afternoon here. And I'm using liquid acrylic ink. Gold. Hadn't planned on this, but it's just evolving extemporaneously. Why not? Let me get a little gold in my hair here too. How are we doing, budgies? Okay? Everybody good? All right. Keep this slightly over 2 minutes, and then it won't end up in YouTube moves short videos to a section they call shorts. And sometimes they don't even allow people to add text and stuff. Very peculiar. They also got rid of all editing features, including functional closed captioning some years ago now. All right. Nice chirping, guys. Guy and gal, actually. Two lovebirds. All right, there you have it.